And welcome back to a new iOS 17 problems video on Wonder Dr. Phone channel. This is your host Francisco with a solution to fix iPhone stuck while updating on iOS 17. Apple has recently launched its new iOS 17 version with some new unique features. However, it is reported that sometimes the iPhone gets stuck or frozen when it is being updated to the latest version of iOS. That is why today in this video we will discuss how you can resolve this issue in a careful way so that your precious data is not lost. Furthermore, we also have good news that Wonder Dr. Phone version 13.5 is coming soon. In this new version, the products on Mac will update completely to provide a smooth user experience. Besides this, you will also get interesting AI features in the new version, which will help you generate wallpapers and music quickly. However, before we move forward to the main part of this video, please make sure that you have subscribed to our channel and hit the bell icon. This way, you can get updates on our newly launched videos whenever they come up. So, let's go ahead and dive right in. Part 1. Why does my iPhone freeze during or after the new update? So before we start discussing the solutions to fix your iOS device, let us understand some of the common reasons that may cause your iPhone to get stuck during an update. First could be storage issue. The first thing that can make your iPhone frozen during an update is usually a storage issue. If your iPhone has no internal storage space left to accommodate the new iOS version, then the updating process can get stuck or interrupted. Internet connection. Having a fast-speed internet connection is crucial to ensure that the new version of your iPhone is downloaded and installed properly. In case the internet connection is not stable, then the update might actually get stuck as well. New version glitches. In some rare scenarios, it is also possible that the latest iOS version is corrupted or is not downloaded completely. Due to this, your iPhone can get stuck after a new iOS update. App compatibility issue. There is a possibility that the third-party applications might have compatibility issues with the new iOS version. As a result of this software conflict, your iPhone can get stuck during the updating process. Part 2. Force restart iPhone to fix iPhone frozen during iOS update. Now that we have understood some common reasons that cause an iPhone to get frozen after an update, it is time to see their possible solutions. Here, the first solution that you can follow is to force restart your iPhone to fix its frozen issue. To do this, just follow these simplified steps coming right up. First, initiate the force restart process by pressing and quickly releasing the volume up button. After this, pressing and release the volume down button. Following this, press and hold the side button for some time until the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the logo appears, then it means that your iPhone is being force restarted successfully. Part 3. Fix iPhone frozen during or after iOS update without data loss. Moreover, if you want to fix your frozen iPhone during or after an iOS update, getting help from third-party applications can be a good option. At this point, we recommend using Wonder Dr. Phone to fix your iOS device without worrying about data loss. It is because Wonder Dr. Phone has an iOS system repair tool that helps users fix more than 150 iOS system issues in just a few simple steps. While using this tool, you don't need to jailbreak your iPhone. Moreover, it offers 2 repair modes: standard repair for fixing basic iPhone issues, and advanced repair to fix complex iOS problems. Therefore, let's go ahead and understand how this tool works by following the step-by-step process. Install and launch Wonder Dr. Phone on your computer. From its main interface, tap on the Toolbox tab to access the respective options. Click on System Repair from these options to proceed with the process of fixing the frozen iPhone. And then from here, all that you have to do is just go ahead and select the iPhone as the device type that you are trying to fix. Following this, hit the iOS repair option and ensure that your iPhone is connected to your computer with a suitable data cable. Hit the standard repair option in the new appearing window from there. And then after this step, it's still going to be smooth sailing from here. To move further, put your iOS device in recovery mode by following the on-screen instructions. Once the device is in recovery mode, the platform will automatically detect the connected device and will search the suitable firmware for it. Now, after the respective firmware is detected for your iPhone, just go ahead and click on the download option against it. This will start the downloading process of firmware, and after the successful download, you will be notified by the platform from there. So then, to complete the process, just go ahead and click the Repair Now button to fix your frozen iPhone. After it is fixed successfully, tap on the Done option to conclude the process and use your iOS device without any issues from there. Part 4. Fix iPhone frozen during or after iOS update by restoring with iTunes, which does involve erasing your data. So besides all of the fixes that we have mentioned, another solution that you can use to resolve your iPhone problem is with the help of iTunes/Finder. But the important point that you need to keep in mind while using this method is that your data will be lost completely. The following steps can help you to restore your iPhone using iTunes/Finder. So let's go ahead and dive right into those. First, install and launch the latest version of iTunes/Finder on your computer. Connect your iPhone to your computer using the Lightning cable or USB-C cable and put your device in recovery mode. To do this, press and release the volume up button, then press and release the volume down button. Furthermore, press and hold the side button until the recovery mode is finally enabled on your device, and you will see it because the logo will show up on your screen. So once it is done, the iTunes/Finder will automatically detect your iOS device. Besides this, a pop-up will appear in iTunes/Finder with two options, restore or update. Hit on the restore option and then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the restoration process of your iPhone. Doing this can help you fix your frozen iPhone in a few minutes without complications whatsoever. Part 5. FAQs about new iPhone stuck on software update. So in case you still have some queries, then no need to worry. These FAQs can help you clear all of your queries without any kind of hesitation. So how long does it take to update to iOS 17? The updating time of an iOS device from 16 to 17 depends on multiple factors. The most important factor is the size of the update. With this, your speed on the internet and internal storage capacity also matter a lot to ensure that your iOS version is updated successfully. However, on average, it is recorded that it takes around 30 minutes to an hour, I would say, for an iPhone to update to the latest version. How do I avoid my iPhone freezing during the update? To avoid the freezing scenarios of your iPhone while it is being updated, you can take care of a few things that can help you greatly. These things ensure that you have a stable internet connection, enough internal storage capacity, and sufficient battery life. Can I cancel an iPhone update that is already in progress? No. Once you have started the update, you can't cancel it while it is being updated. If you try to cancel the update during the process with some unauthorized methods, it can harm your device and actually cause you to lose data as well. What happens if the iPhone update is interrupted? So this is not so common of an occurrence, but if your iPhone update is interrupted due to issues like internet error or insufficient storage, it can lead to problems like incomplete installations, data loss, and much more. Therefore, to resolve such issues, you can get help from Wondershare Dr. Phone iOS system repair tool like we showed you earlier, which helps you fix 150 plus iOS issues in a few simple steps. So following this, today's video has finally come to an end. We hope that with the help of the fixes that we have mentioned and provided in this video, your iPhone stuck issue is finally being resolved. However, if you still have any questions or recommendations, mention them in the comment section. In addition, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share the video with your friends so that they can also resolve such issues that may occur on their iOS devices. Now with that said, until next time, have a good one.